The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say greetings and respect to each and everyone. Now, you know, there's times when we see some video pop up on social media where it shows of relationship arguments or lovers triangle and all these things, you see me? Now, I see a video where, based on what has been said in the video and on social media, right, it seems to be somewhat of a relationship problem going on, right? Alright, because the video shows up two female and two male as well, but one of the male is not the center of this whole confrontation or argument that is going on, right? According to what has been said in the video and on social media, one of the female is considered to be a wife of one of the male that is shown in the video that I'm about to show you, my viewers and subscribers, right? And the female that is said to be the wife or considered to be the wife that is shown in the video, she thinks or feels that the other female is trying to take away her husband, or you can say her partner, away from her, all right? However, I would like to point it out and say that sometimes if you feel like your relationship is being threatened by another female, if you're a female, or another male if you're a male, sometimes it's best to talk it out, and the other person should try and listen. And at any point you see where the argument is going to reach to a point where it's going to turn out into violence or a fight, walk away. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you this video so that you can have a look at it and you can also have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. And I'm presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, because it is out on social media and some things had been said about this video as well. And you can also tell me what you think about what had happened in this video. Alright? Now, as I'm about to show you this video, please bear in mind that this video shows of a confrontation between two females that turns out into a fight. Alright? And two males was there as well, trying to part or trying to separate the females due to the fact that they are fighting. Alright? So please bear that in mind. Now, as I'm about to show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Not interested, you understand?
Alright, try this is very nice. Alright, now what we plan to do is just forget that, just leave it. You understand? Because it's way say all the night down, so you understand? Make sure you say, me and you sit down and make trick plans.
So why should I think something like that now, man? What kind of stupid wife you have? Eh? What kind of stupid wife you have?
No worry yourself.
I just not come on my yard for?
Yeah, that me come to tell you. That me come to tell you.
Me say for anything now, man, say, trust me.
Trust you what? No man, tell her say, it's just I am by the pond. I stop road back at the man.
Now man, am I running back at you?
Yes, you do. You do.
Oh, no,
You do. Why you come down there and come down home?
Come on. Go on. Alright, go in. No, listen, go in.
Ken, come on.
Ken, you see this? You see this?